So let's start. 2x minus 17 the whole upon 7 minus in bracket x minus 1 upon 3 the whole bracket closed equals to 12. So we have to solve this. Basically solve this means we have to find a solution for x. So try to get x on one side and remaining all things on the other. First solve the bracket. So 2x minus 17 upon 7 as it is and remaining 12 also as it is. Just solve this square bracket. Minus cross multiply this 3x minus in bracket x minus 1. Pay attention over here. See here minus is common to x minus 1. So when you put 3 on the numerator cross multiply, this minus should go to both. That's why we have put a bracket over here. Okay. So 3x minus x plus 1 minus into minus plus. Okay. Bracket closed. Remaining as it is. So 2x minus 17 blah 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 minus 3x minus x is 2x plus 1 upon 3. This bracket closed. Now we can solve these two. Why? Because here it was minus and the denominator was not common over here inside the bracket. Now it is common. So cross multiply with 3. 3 into 2x minus 17 minus this 7 into 2x plus 1. Even if you remove the square bracket over here, it doesn't matter because denominator is common now. And below denominator 7 into 3, 21 as it is and 12 as it is. Solve this now. 3 to the 6, 6x and 17 3 the 51 minus 51, right? Minus 7 into 2x minus 14x and minus 7 into plus 1 minus 7. The whole upon 7 into 3 or 21 you can write it equals to 12. So solve this now. 6 minus 14 that is minus 8x, 51 and 7 both have minus sign. So minus minus plus. Minus 51 plus 7 minus 58. Sign of the bigger one. So minus 58. And this 12 into 21 as it is. You can multiply this and find the answer also. Or you can keep it as it is. So minus 8x minus 58 equals to 252 you can write it. Though take 58 on this side. So it becomes plus. Minus 8x equals to 252 plus 58. So it becomes 310. So minus 8x equals to 310. So x equals to, take minus 8 on this side. Remember we have to find x not minus x. So take full minus 8 on this side. It becomes 310 upon minus 8, or you can write it this way also. Minus can be taken in the numerator also. Minus 310 upon 8. 2 cancel it by 2. So minus 155 upon 4. That is the answer of x. That is the required answer. Let's go to